When you come to our office as a new patient, it's going to be a very, very fun appointment. All of our forms are emailed or sent via text to the patient, so it's super easy to fill out. You'll be greeted by one of our appointment coordinators, and that one of our assistants will introduce you to the office, show you the office. I'll come and say hi, and we'll talk about what your main concerns are. What is it that you would need our help with? The imaging is very important. That's where our technology is really a key. We take radiographs, we take photographs, we take 3D scans of your mouth, and based on that, I spend a full hour with you assessing your mouth, your joints, your muscles, like the whole system, and most importantly, listen to your needs, to what you need.